was cool. Pushed it pretty hard to the end. That's nice.
Fly on the wall over the flat line. I might just go over there and watch just to watch this.
Really? It's going to be a regular cap going in.
We'll check that way Kevin doesn't forget to prime him in.
And if you just get this real fast, just notate that. Any of your Tovex or any of this.
These are put in here so basically you can just hook 50 grain deck cord in to the.
Steady.
Kind of has to be so that way the American public knows.
Negative.
It's a lot easier to fucking